Hi everyone. Now we can do question number 16 of exercise 18b. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle and AB is a tangent to it at point B. Angle BDC is equal to 65 degree. Find angle BAO. Given BDC is equal to 65 degree. AB is the tangent and OB is the radius. So angle DBC, this angle will be 90 degree using theorem 10. So what is that theorem 10? You have to write that theorem there. A tangent at any point of a circle and the radius through this point are perpendicular to each other. So we can write angle DBC is equal to 90 degree using that theorem. So once again that theorem, tangent at any point of a circle and the radius through this point are perpendicular to each other. So this angle will be angle DBC will be 90 degree. Now consider triangle DBC. DBC. We got this angle as 90 degree, this as 65 degree from the question itself. So what about DCB? DCB will be what? 180 minus sum of 65 and 90. 65 plus 90 is 115. This is 90. So 65 plus 90 is what? 65 plus 90 is 155. So what about DCB? DCB will be what? 180 minus 155, which is equal to 25 degree. So this angle is 25 degree. So we got this as 25 degree. This DCB as 25 degree. DCB 25 degree. Look at OE and OC. OE and OC. Since O is the center of the circle, OE is the radius, OC is also the radius. So radius will be equal. That is OE will be equal to OC since these two are the radius. So angle opposite to that particular sides will be equal. That means angle opposite to this side is OCE will be equal to angle opposite to this side is what? OEC. So these two angles will be equal. Now we got this angle as 25. So what about this angle also will be 25 degree. So angle DCB is equal to 25 degree. So OCE is 25 degree. DCB is 25 means what? DCB is same as OCB, that is 25 degree. So OEC also will be 25. These two sides are equal. So angle opposite to that particular side will be equal. So that two angles we got as 25 degree. Now we are considering the triangle OEC. This triangle OEC. Consider the exterior angle of OEC. Exterior angle of OEC, that is, consider this exterior angle EOB. Since we have these two angles, exterior angle EOB will be equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So EOB is equal to 25 plus 25. So BOE or EOB will be, this angle will be 50 degree. EOB will be 50 degree. That is the exterior angle EOB. I think it is clear for you. EOB is equal to 50 degree. This one. EOB is equal to 50 degree. Next, consider triangle ABO. 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 Why? We want what? BAO BAO. We want to find out angle BAO. This angle we want to find out. Now we got this angle as 50 degree. Already we know this angle as 90 degree using theorem 10. So what about BAO? BAO will be what? 180 minus sum of 90 and 50. So 90 plus 50 is what? 90 plus 50 is 140. So 180 minus 140. So this angle will be 40 degree. BAO is equal to 40 degree. Look at the steps. Consider triangle ABO. ABO plus AOB plus BAO is equal to 180 degree. So we write it as 90 degree. EOBO. AOB is same as what? EOB plus angle BAO is equal to 180 degree. So replace that as 50 degree. So angle BAO is equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to 40 degree. So using the figure, it is very easy to find out the angles. Before writing the steps, do it from the figure itself. After that you can write the steps. Okay, thank you.